Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play multiplayer in Mobile Legends. Bang bang. First, launch the game and navigate to the main lobby. You'll see several options for different game modes. To start a multiplayer match, simply select your desired mode. The game provides a seamless experience for connecting with other players, whether they are on your friends list or matched randomly. Get ready to dive into exciting team battles. Playing with friends enhances the fun and strategy. From the main lobby, tap the Invite button to see your friends list. Select the friends you wish to play with, and they will receive an invitation to join your party. You can also create a custom room for private games, allowing you to set specific rules. Once your party is formed, choose a game mode and queue up together for an exciting match. Mobile Legends offers diverse multiplayer game modes. Classic mode is a standard 5 vs 5 match where teams push lanes to destroy the enemy base. Ranked mode is for competitive players, where wins and losses affect your rank. Brawl mode provides quick, chaotic fun on a single lane. Additionally, various arcade modes rotate, offering unique twists on gameplay. Each mode provides a distinct experience, catering to different playstyles and preferences. Success in multiplayer often hinges on good communication and strategy. Use the in-game chat or voice chat to coordinate with your teammates, calling out enemy positions or planning attacks. Adapting your strategy to the current game state, including hero matchups and objective control, is key. Working together to secure turrets, the Lord, and other objectives will significantly increase your chances of victory. Teamwork truly makes the dream work in Mobile Legends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.